Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to make a mockup from picture and not a Photoshop file. So, this is a picture and it is in the form of JPG and not Photoshop, but still we want to make this as a mockup. So, let's see how it can be done. First, you need to drag and drop onto your artboard. So let us adjust it according to the artboard. Let's crop it. Hit enter. There you go. Now as you can see, this is not a Photoshop file and this has a different perspective. It's slightly slanted, it's not straight, so it's difficult to make a mockup from this, but it's a very simple process. So first, it's a smart object. Let's rasterize it. Right click and then rasterize layer. So it has been rasterized. Now what we'd want to do is we want to activate perspective crop tool. So you just have to right click on the crop tool to get the different options. Here you have perspective crop tool. So select it. Now click on every corner of the billboard. Like this. The last one like this. So it has been selected. Now hit enter. Now this is the front view of the billboard. So what you want to do is you have to hold Ctrl A to select it and Ctrl C to copy it. Since it has been made in the same artboard and we want to go back to the billboard, what we have to do is we need to hit Ctrl Z a few times, Ctrl Z, and we come back to our layer. Now what we want to do is we want to paste the front view of it. So Ctrl V. Now it has been pasted. Now we have a new layer of the front view. So right click on this layer and select convert it into a smart object. Now you can see that there has been another layer made, which is a smart object. So now let us match the perspective of the smart object with our billboard. What you have to do is you have to hit Ctrl T and you need to press Ctrl and drag the corners to the corresponding corners of the billboard. So hold down Ctrl key and match them with the corners like this. And the last one, Ctrl and drag. So now we have matched our perspective. So what we have to do is enter. Now double click on the thumbnail of the layer, the smart object. You can see this symbol means smart object. So double click on the thumbnail to open it. You can see that there is one more tab that has been opened. So this is the layer which we are going to edit. Now what we have to do is we have to bring whatever we want to put inside the billboard. Now let us drag the image we want to put inside the billboard. So just drag it from here and drop it. You can see that it's slightly shorter than the billboard. So let us resize it like this. Okay, I think this looks fine. Now after we have adjusted, hit enter. Now we need to save these changes. So hit Ctrl and S to save it. It has been saved. So you can close this tab and you have your billboard ready. It's that simple.